In this video, we've got a Dulux diamond, a Dulux trade diamond mat review. My name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I used for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The links are also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this. Right then, I've already got some poured out in the roller bucket because I've already made a start over there, because I had to wait for the customer to go take the kids to school so I could get the camera out and stuff, but I had to sort of get some, I had to push on as well as making videos. Right, let's just see. It is thick and it's got a nice consistency to it, and I have gave it a good stir. So let's start getting it on the wall. And seeing how it performs. Right, let me just find a good camera angle. We'll go with that, and then I'll try and adjust the camera as I'm going along. It's not easy this sometimes. Having to negotiate furniture and camera angles and stuff. Right. I've already spotted these bits of filler up with some Zinza Peel Stop. Right then. Let's go. It is absolutely sliding, is this, but I think it's going over a durable paint anyway as well. And the durable paints do intend to have a little bit of slide on them. I mean, I'm using this 3-inch Purdy for cutting in, but you can use like a smaller one, like a 2-inch Hamilton Prestige. I'll leave the links in the description. See, I reckon soon I'll have to just adjust the camera angle a bit there. Will I get one more out of it? Maybe we'll get one more. I'm on a roll today. This is the second video that I've recorded this morning, or recording, I've already recorded one. But it's covering quite good, is this green as well. I mean, it's sort of going over a dark green. Looking forward to seeing how it rolls. I don't often get to use this. I do use the Johnson's durable one a lot more. Beautiful. And I think more and more people are using this durable stuff now, especially, you know, I get more people wanting the Johnson's durable mat. I'm going to be ready for rolling soon. Beautiful, beautiful. Be interested to see what it was like going over a normal vinyl mat now. I'm almost sure what's on here is the Clean Extreme crown. But if anything, I think it was this client's dad where I first ever used the durable stuff. It was the Clean Extreme about 8 years ago. Yeah. Also now the roller's nice and primed as well, it's going on even better. I mean, there's no getting away from it. I know the Dulux tray is expensive, it is good paint though. I mean, Dulux trade, not so much the stuff you get in B&Q. Now the Dulux Easy Care is okay, but it just might require additional coats. I mean, you can get a job done with it, but when it comes down to sheer covering power, the trade stuff is definitely the way forward. Like I say, it might drag a bit if you're painting over matte, but then I'm sure when it goes over itself it'll be lovely. We'll find that out on the second coat. I mean, it's going over this surface lovely. Someone told me in the comment to extend the roller pole because I get tennis elbow, so I've just remembered. So what did I think of this Dulux Diamond Matte? Well, it really went on really good, but I think the first coat, it was going over a durable paint, so it sort of slid over it. Now, its second coat, it dragged slightly, but it was good. You know, it flowed really well. It was thick, but not too thick. I don't see any of it flashing. And what I did like is when I was rolling it, there was hardly any overspray. Now, let me just give you a look at it. Like I say, covering power, it was really good, but I think it was going over like not a similar colour, but it wasn't sort of trying to cover a red or anything like that. So I do feel I can't judge it so much on its covering power. But the finish does look really good. There will be a slight sheen. I don't know how much of a sheen, maybe like sort of 7% or 3%. I'll have to sort of research it because most durable paints do have like a slight sheen. So from me, and also it is very expensive, this Dulux trade, but the Dulux trade is a lot better than the stuff that you get in B&Q with, like, when you see the dog all on it. So it does get a thumbs up from me, and I thoroughly do recommend this. So take care, and thank you very much for watching.